Aquarius yearly horoscope for love. As an air sign, you can be devoid of shape. In other words, you are very mystical and sometimes unpredictable. Other people have a hard time wrapping their minds around what makes you tick. Although this can be an advantage in some areas of your life, Aquarius can be detrimental to your love life, where the foundation of a personal relationship is knowing someone deeply and loving them without abandon. But you are hard to pin down. You don't always communicate clearly on the deeply emotional level. This may have caused you strife in your love life at various points. This year, you may learn some essential lessons in adapting to being a bit warmer and more expressive. Take these lessons and experiences to heart, even if they come with a little bit of pain, for they will eventually contribute to making your love life so much richer and more harmonious. If you are attached, you should strive to grow closer to your partner. Get to know them in ways they want to be known, rather than being satisfied with the more cerebral side of that person. And if you are single, seek out expressive individuals who can challenge you and tap into your deeper self and stir your emotions. There may be a recurring issue of trust between you and a romantic interest or partner this year. Try to see that person's point of view so that you can gain insight into how this occurred and how to fix it.